Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something I love that's in my home. I'm gonna say this wrong, but it's Tournee du Chat Noir. It is a famous French print by Theophile Alexandre Steinlen, and I might be saying that name wrong, I'm sorry. I have like the worst pronunciation, but it's actually a really famous poster. I went to school for art history, so this was in a lot of the textbooks, it was shown a lot, and I just fell in love with it. Also, I love cats and animals in general, but I have a soft spot for cats. I had them my whole life growing up, and I love black cats. I hate the superstition that, oh, black cats are bad luck, because they're not. They're actually like really, really great cats and wonderful pets to have. This is a 24 by 36 print. Ordered it online. I actually registered for this for my bridal shower, and someone purchased it for me, and then I just bought the frame separately. It's really pretty. It's a publishing house authorized open edition quality art print. They perform a quality assurance check on all of their prints prior to packaging them for shipment. The overall image size is 24 by 36, printed in the USA, and fits a standard size frame, which this one's pretty standard. They had like all different ones, like black ones and stuff, but I found one with like a little bit of a silver outing. You guys can see it's like a silver and black. I thought it was pretty, and it was super easy to hang on the wall, and I think it just goes good with anything. I mean, I have like a kind of, I don't know if you guys could see, it's like basically the color of my wall looks like a light hot chocolate with pink mixed into it. So it's maybe not like the most ideal color, but it just, I think it goes fine with this print. You've probably seen this around at like French cafes and stuff like that, or just maybe in people's houses because it's so famous. It's a beautiful print. It was packed in a strong tube for shipping, and just goes really well with anything. I have white carpet too, so great couches. I think it just adds a little bit of something to wherever you hang it. And I was happy that it was like perfectly packaged in the sturdy cardboard tube, so it came fine, no rips or anything in it, and it was inexpensive. The paper itself a little thin, but you can't even tell, like once it's framed, it's fine. I would definitely recommend framing it, and I always knew that when I had my own house that I would want this photo because I just love it. It's one of my all-time favorites. So just a little bit more about this picture or this print if you're not really familiar. Just the product description is the great reproduction of the vintage French advertising poster Le Chat Noir, the black cat, it means in French, Paris Cabaret. It was opened on November 18th, 1881 at 84 Boulevard Rochechouart by the artist Rudolph Salas. It was closed in 1897 after Salas's death, much to the disappointment of Picasso and others who looked up for it when they came to Paris for the exposition in 1900. Theophile Alexandre Steinlen was a Swiss-born French art nouveau painter and printmaker. Once in Paris, Steinlen was befriended by the painter Adolphe Willet, who introduced him to the artistic crowd at Le Chat Noir that led to his commissions to do poster art for the cabaret. So that's just like a little bit of the history behind it, which I always thought was very, very interesting. I was especially impressed with how true the colors are to the print. I just think it looks so pretty, and what I like too is it brings a little bit of vintage chic to your decor. It's just an iconic picture. If you didn't know what it's called or you didn't know the artist, now you know a little bit more about it, but I'm sure you at some point probably came across this. I know I was on vacation in Sandals, and they had like a little cafe with the desserts and coffees and stuff, and of course this was hanging up, and I just love it. My uncle, my great uncle, who just passed away, he was 92, had this in his house, and he always loved it, and he kind of passed that along to me. So I think it just adds a little something in my living room, and people always comment on it when they come over. So it's just like a really nice little iconic piece of art, and the print is great, the color's great, and I'm just so happy with it. So if you guys want to add a little vintage chic to your living room or any room in your house, definitely pick this up, and I hope you guys found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching.